Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to go over how to read and make flat candy charms. Okay, here is an example of a uniform pattern that would be best to start with. I would practice with these before you try to tackle a bigger project. Here's an example of a more complex piece. You could make this all in one piece or separate pieces sewn together. To start any project, you will read across from left to right for a starting point. You will always want to start with the thickest or the longest part of the pattern. After you start in the middle, you most likely will have to start working on both sides to complete the pattern. I would like to say that there is no right way or wrong way to make these. I just show you guys the easiest way that I know how to make them. There's many different ways to make candy. This is just what I find easiest. I hope this helps answer some of your questions, and I'll see you guys next time.